Boy, have we got some good fishing tips for you. Listen up.
Hello, fishermen. Dr. TMKey here. Kings and coho salmon? Yes! This is what I caught yesterday at Jefferson Head. Salmon are averaging 4 to 10 pounds, and a few are over the 20-pound class. The best news is the bite will continue through the weekend, and Jefferson Head is definitely my hot tip. It's just about 4 miles northwest of Seattle, and they're biting on an East 90 heading off the Yellow House. You'll find the hottest fishing on an outgoing tide in 160 foot of water and fish the early morning bite. Troll the ledges and use green, blue, purple fly combinations. The salmon are a soft biter, so use 2 hooks with a herring strip. Remember, keep your hooks sharp and your leaders clean. This is Dr. TMKey reporting for the Channel 11 News. Okay, I gotta have the line. Can't do nothing unless I have the line. Big guy. Here you go. You ready? Yeah. You know what, Matt? You're fishing with Doc.
Net this one, all right? You don't seem...
Fish on! Woohoo! Out of gear.
There he is.
There he is right there.
In gear.
Get out here.
Move that over.
What do you think it weighs?
20 pounds.
Nice fish. Show him the rest of them.
Of course, this is my dad's. See how small it is?
He's a smart aleck, isn't he?
And then this is his other one. Still small.
Not bad fish, I'll tell you.
Well, what'd you think, you guys?
Oh, it was fun. Had a lot of fun.
You ready to go again sometime?
You bet.
Good. All right. Well, let's go get these things cleaned. What do you say?
Let's do her.
Can I see how much it weighs?